Ever wondered how blockchain technology could revolutionize the world in ways beyond our imagination? Let's dive into it. This transformative technology is reshaping industries, from finance to healthcare and even art. Now, in the vast ocean of blockchain platforms, one name stands out: Solana. It's touted as a high-speed platform, a real game changer in the crypto world. But what's all the buzz about? Solana, a name that's making waves in the crypto space. But what makes it so special? Solana, a unique player in the blockchain arena, brings to the table an array of compelling features. Let's dive into them. One of the standout characteristics of Solana is its high-speed transactions. It's able to process an impressive 50,000 transactions per second. Yes, you heard it right, 50,000. This is a far cry from many other platforms that struggle with speed. Let's talk about fees. Solana boasts extremely low transaction costs, making it accessible for everyone. And when it comes to scalability, Solana is a tough competitor. It's designed to scale with Moore's law, meaning it will continue to grow and improve as technology advances. But what truly sets Solana apart is its unique proof of history consensus mechanism. Instead of relying on traditional methods, Solana uses this innovative approach to maintain security and decentralization while still achieving remarkable speed. With such features, Solana is not just another blockchain, but a platform that promises to redefine the future of crypto transactions. The features of Solana are impressive, but what are the benefits that these features bring to users? Well, let's dive right in. The first benefit that Solana brings to the table is seamless and quick transactions. With Solana's high-speed blockchain platform, transactions are not just fast, they're lightning fast. Imagine sending money to a friend and they receive it almost instantly. That's the speed we're talking about here. Next, we have cost-effectiveness. Solana's efficient architecture reduces transaction costs, making it a more affordable option for users. You can perform a ton of transactions without burning a hole in your pocket. Lastly, Solana can handle a large number of transactions simultaneously. This scalability ensures that the network remains smooth, even when the transaction volume is high. Solana's benefits make it a game changer in the world of blockchain technology. So what makes Solana stand out in the crowded blockchain market? It's not just one thing, but a combination of many. Solana's unique features, such as its high-speed and scalable blockchain platform, set it apart from its competitors. This, coupled with its ultra-fast transaction times and low fees, makes it a powerful tool for developers and users alike. Solana's benefits are clear. It provides a secure, efficient, and cost-effective alternative to traditional financial systems. But it's more than that. Solana isn't just another crypto coin. It's a revolutionary technology. It has the potential to transform the way we transact, trade, and interact with digital assets. In the grand scheme of things, Solana promises to play a pivotal role in the future of blockchain technology. It's not just a cryptocurrency. It's a technology that's here to stay,